Hi everybody, I'm Chubb DeMotor at IMI CCI. We're a global firm. We build severe service control valves for power, oil and gas, and nuclear. We go out to the customers and we talk to them, and then they come back to us, tell us they have a problem or they want to improve their efficiency. So we actually go in and we work with them and solve their problem. And sometimes it's just a simple, replacement or retrofit that we do, or we actually introduce a new valve to them and install the valve. It's been quite a journey working with SolidWorks. I've been involved with it since its inception in 1997. If you're there, how you doing, Kevin? We've known each other for 24 years. Kevin remembers the day that I went into the office, was called US CAD before GoEngineer. And when he introduced me to SolidWorks, I basically said to him, this is it, this is the one. Ever since then, we now have SolidWorks all throughout all our global sites, which are both engineering and manufacturing. The reason we stuck with GoEngineer is all the customer support was excellent. Every time we asked about any of these add-ons, they were immediately responding to us. If you know Mark, he would come on site every year for us to do a little dog and pony show on upgrades.
Hi everyone, my name is Mark Sheets. I'm Director of Engineering for the Western area. I've known Chubb for a long time in CCI, worked with them over probably about 20 years. What I've done a lot with CCI is just the typical things that we do at GoEngineer. We do a lot of what's new presentations, and we have a rollout. It's pretty common with our big customers to do that. Also, just whenever they're involved with some kind of initiative to improve their processes or find a better way to get their jobs done, or use the tools in a better way, Chubb usually will give us a call. We'll schedule something either here if we want to meet with his crew, or he'll come to our office. Sometimes the solution is just some additional training. Sometimes it's product. Sometimes it's provide some kind of small session here with his team. Some of the more recent projects that we've worked on has to do with automating their entire sort of design process for these valves. It's very much of a made-to-order type system, so we were able to introduce them to GoAutomate and provide some custom programming.
So one of the big tools that that I kind of remember, it's very recent, is a tool called GoAutomate. He did a presentation at the office, and I really liked that tool. It really helped us in automating our process. We now can take 3D model assemblies, put in some key values, and then watch the whole assembly change and all the drawings change automatically. One of the projects I put this on, it used to take, I don't know, maybe 8 hours to go from design to drawings. We now can do the whole project within an hour to an hour and a half. So with regards to customer support that I spoke about earlier with GoEngineer, one of the key factors was the timely response that we get. Within an hour or two, we're getting a response back from support group, and either with additional questions or a solution.
I don't believe that most of us see the company that we're working with as our customer. We actually see the person that we're working with. When we start to understand a person's personal goals and we work with that person, it makes the job fun. We help make them successful. We help make them heroes in their company. No matter how much I talk about my involvement with the customer, the things that I've done, I'm really only a small part of it. Chubb mentioned other people, from folks in order management to subscription renewals to just the team behind what keeps him coming back to GoEngineer. I'm not an expert in every area when I'm trying to help Chubb, but when I can lean on someone else, bring someone else into the conversation, or send somebody else here, that's what really makes a difference. It actually really matters when he walks into our offices and somebody is there to greet him, show him a way to the office, offer him something to drink. Everything makes a big difference. His experience with everyone at GoEngineer is why he's with us. It's not just the technical team, it's not just the stuff that seems to be most apparent.
The customer support and the customer service has just been awesome, and that is probably the #1 reason why we stayed with GoEngineer.